Oh, hello.
Okay.
Ta-da.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow.
Oh no!
Here we go! Wow, amazing! Woohoo!
Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Hey, hey, hey!
Hello.
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? Are we not friends anymore?
Go, go, go! Are you all right?
Wow, congratulations.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Good job.
Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show.
Let's go!
やりは愛情おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱい
Bye.
We're in trouble now.
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
You're a great team.
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah! Woohoo! Here we go!
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, cutie pie.
Here we go!
Oh yeah!
Na 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 na.
Yay!
Ready, steady, go! Oh my god! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. Woohoo!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Great! Oh yes!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Goody, he's here.
Yay!
Here I go!
Yahoo!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Let's go, let's go!
Woohoo!
Bye, have a great time.
We're in trouble now.
Yay!
Here we go!
Yahoo! Oh yes!
Bye, have a great time.
Ready, steady, go! Na 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 na. Oh my god!
Let's go, let's go!
Woohoo!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Goody, he's here.
Wow! Congratulations!
Go, go, go!
Hello! We're in trouble now. I sound like a 14-year-old.
Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show!
Nice, nice.
Oh, hello.
Here I go! Come on.
Bye.
Got him!
Here we go!
Yeah, let's go. I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chumplubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Hooray! Hooray!
Bye, have a great time.
Wow! Congratulations!
Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show! Go, go, go! Woohoo! Hello!
Liz, I think you're confused, boy.
Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years.
Oh, yes! Uh-oh.
Hey, hey, hey! Oh, hello.
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? We're not friends anymore?
Woohoo! Here we go!
Hello.
Okay, let's go!
We're in trouble now. Good job.
Whoa! Amazing!
Yeah, let's go.
Thank you, come again. Okay, let's go! Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show. Go, go, go! Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Bye, have a great time.
Let's go!
料理は愛情おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱいおいしくしてやるぜバイバイ
Whoa! Amazing! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Nice, nice! Very nice! Hello, cutie pie.
Let's go, let's go.
Here we go!
Oh no! Help me! Oh, hello.
Nice, nice. What? Here I go!
Okay, okay.
Ho ho! Come on!
Yeah, boy.
Yeah!
Nice.
Go, go, go! Yay!
Bye. Hey, bro.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Thank you very much.
Come on! Okay, let's go! Yeah!
Nice, nice.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello!
Crazy, what are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Roar, niemand buoyt.
You're a great team.
Nice, nice.
I like that.
Hey, what happened?
Wow! Congratulations!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, but I want you to release her.
Hey, it's me, Goku.
You know I can't resist you. Goody, he's here. Yeah, boy. Let's go, let's go.
Uh-oh.
Hooray! Question mark? Whoa, amazing!
Come on! Yeah!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Oh, yeah. You tell me, sweetheart.
Bye.
Come on, step it up.
Oh yeah!
I got you. They fall for the same trick every time.
Okay, let's go!
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? Are we not friends anymore?
Bye, have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show!
Here we go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh, hello.
Hey, what happened?
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
We're in trouble now.
Oh no!
Okay.
Go, go, go!
おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱいおいしくしてやるバイバイ
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. I think all I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye.
We're in trouble now.
Whoa, amazing! Okay.
Good job! Wow! Congratulations! Oh, yes!
Yummy!
Amazing!
Good job!
Here I go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye-bye.
I am ready to put on a show!
Okay.
Oh no!
My God, are you still talking?
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh yeah!
Yeah, boy.
Aha! Come on!
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz? Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Hey, what happened?
Here I go!
Stupid boy! You have the guts to face me, huh? But you're not fat enough to be useful to me. Wait a second. There's an easy solution to that. Oh, yes. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
I got an idea!
Okay, okay.
Bror, niemand boeit.
Nice, nice!
Too easy!
Wow! Congratulations!
Whoa, amazing!
Let's go! You're a great team!
Oh yeah!
Goody, he's here.
Come on!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I
Bye.
can't.
Very good.
Nice, nice!
Okay, let's go!
Oh yeah!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
Whoa, amazing!
We're in trouble now.
Here we go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
Good morning. We talk the whole night through. Good morning to you. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. Hello. Oh no!
Hey!
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to!
Oh, hello.
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Yay! Wow! Congratulations!
Here we go!
Going to count kids today. I'm looking for the jump lobby man.
Bye bye!
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Hey, what happened? Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Okay.
Hello.
Here I go!
Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show!
Go, go, go!
We're in trouble now.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Bye, have a great time.
Help! Help!
Hey, what happened?
Let me out!
Yeah, let's go.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! Why?
Go, go, go!
Aha!
Got him!
Nice! Nice!
I'm going to count the kids today. I'm looking for the jump clubby ones. I'm going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Bye.
Whoa! Amazing!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Okay.
Go, go, go!
Hello.
Huh?
Nope.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Okay.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hello, cutie pie.
Huh?
Yes! Yes!
Okay, let's go!
Nope.
Oh, yes!
Go, go, go!
Yes! Yes!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Wow! Amazing!
Okay.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Oh, yes!
Nope.
Na 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 na.
Go, go, go!
Okay.
Okay, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
We're in trouble now. Let's go, let's go. Okay.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Yay! Woohoo!
Hello, cutie pie.
Na 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 na. La 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 la.
Okay, let's go!
I am ready to put on a show. Yahoo!
Wow, wow, wow! Ta-da! Here we go!
Wow! Yay!
Here I go!
Na 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 na. La 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 la. Oh yes! Come on! Woohoo! Okay. Yay! Wow! Congratulations! Woohoo!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.